So, how are you all? Hope all are fine. Houses actually. So, primarily, the major Vastu defects which we have seen here is cut and extensions. Okay, wherever we have seen the houses, there we have seen there is some disturbance in the house. The shape of the house is very important. If the shape of the house is not proper, then there will be disturbance in the house. First point. Second point is toilets are major issues because you may have a curtain extensions, may or may not, but toilets are definitely there in your house. Wherever the toilet is placed, that particular place is damaged. As you know, east, west, north, south, no, main directions, and sub directions are northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Whichever place the toilet is coming, then automatically that place will not give you proper. So problem is wherever you have a toilet, automatically that particular place will not give you energy. One thing I have noticed is how much your horoscope is working, whether it is working or not, it is different. Irrelevancy of any sort of dasha, let it be a good dasha or a bad dasha or whatever it is. But the house which is there, that is playing a very major role in our life. So whenever the toilet is placed in our house, from when the toilet came into our house, inside our house, from that particular time the problems have started. That is first point. Okay, first is plot, that is very important. Mostly you can see square plots or rectangular plots, but toilet is very important. Toilet, wherever it is placed in that particular direction, it will have bad, it will not give you good result, it will give you bad result only. Colors, as you know, these days it is all decorative colors which you have. Because of the colors also we have problem, but colors you may have, you may not have, but toilet mandatorily you will have in your house. Designs, you put any designs in your house or whatever it is, some painting or some decorations or something or the other, that will also create a lot of problem, right? Stairs is also one such thing which I have seen recently. Most of the places you have stairs in the northeast area, north area, and in the Brahmastan also you have some stairs most of the times. So stairs will also play a major role. So primarily we'll just see square or rectangular plots. Shapes are very important. Whenever a plot or a flat or a office, commercial office or a factory, wherever you have a square bit of plot and an office, then that particular thing will give you good result. Means 50% your Vastu is okay, square or rectangle. But whenever the plot is not in a shape, then automatically that particular defects you will get it. Because what happens is your body is, if you have to stand properly, if you have to be healthy, every part of the body is organized and it has to be healthy. Whenever there is some disturbance in your body, automatically that particular thing you cannot, means you cannot utilize that particular part of the body. The same way, this particular plot will also have, plot or flat or whatever it is, will have a body in it. Whenever it is square or rectangle, then the body is healthy. We mean to say that the body is healthy and it will give proper result. Okay, so please ensure flat or land or whatever it is, it's square or rectangle. And you see here, most of the people, all these cut extensions or whatever it is, see, any people say northeast extension is good. I say northeast extension is not good. Northeast extension should be very nominal. It is like, it is extended, but it is not seen. That way, if it is there, that's fine. 1 feet, 2 feet is okay. But above that, if you see here, this is extended. This northeast plot is extended. But if you see here, this is extended, this is cut here. Southeast is cut, northwest is cut. What happens is they will not have proper finances. They will have problem with the liquid cash. They will have problem with the banking. They will have debts actually. This much extension is not permitted. And apart from that, if you see all the other extensions, northwest, southeast, southwest, every extension you see here, all the extensions are problem, all the cuts are problem here. So wherever you see a plot should be in a square or a rectangle. If you have an option of leaving that plot, means the extra portion which is there, if you can leave it, it is very good actually, because it's a small piece of land which you are leaving. Okay, if you are leaving that a small piece of land, you may have good energies in your house. But seeing that small piece of land, people generally don't leave it; they keep it with them. Then still they have some problems in their house. So always ensure that the shapes are very important. Square or rectangular plot only will give you good result. Vastu first principle is your plot should be in a square or a rectangular shape. Whenever the shape is out, then there is a problem. Any part in your body, if it is cut also is a problem. If it is extended also is a problem. The same way in a plot or a flat or any area where you are working or living or staying or doing anything, any activity in that place, it will give you that effect. Okay. See, if you see here, this is a northeast cut. What happens? Plot is correct. Plot is in a rectangular shape. But still, if you see here, this is the area, parking area they have given. But your flat, if you see, it is in a L shape. Whereas your northeast direction is northeast area is cut. So what happens is they will not have proper clarity. They will not be able to think properly. All their thinking will be half because it is cut. They will not think full-fledged thinking. They will not have. They will not have clarity of mind. They will have all confusions in their mind actually. So the cut, this plot is good, but the house is not good. The construction which they have done is not correct actually. So this part is also very important, which you have to remember, because normally what they do is they think like flat is correct, so we can also construct like this. No, this is also wrong. And here also we have seen defects in the northeast areas. Okay, the same way you see here, northeast is cut here. They have given stairs. This is a northeast facing flat, but what they have done is north facing flat. What they have done is they have constructed a stairs here. Okay, this is the main door, living room, everything is fine. But primarily, this is a major flaw. Otherwise, according to Vastu, if you see, all the areas are good. Northwest, southwest, and southeast, all the areas are good. But primarily, your northeast is cut. So definitely, they will have some or the other health complications, especially connected with the mind, brain, or whatever it is. So you have to understand this. So whenever we are designing or whenever we are giving some, suggestions for people to construct a new house, you have to ensure that this is not there. Even if they are taking a new flat, also ensure that this particular four walls which are there, the four boundaries which are there, they should be in a proper square or a rectangle. It should be proper. This is considered as cut actually. Okay, in spite of you having a proper square plot, they have constructed the stairs here. That's a very bad thing, very major Vastu defect. At the same time, the cut is also there. So that's a major Vastu flaw. You have to remember this. Next is cut. If you see here also the flat is square. Everything is proper actually. But what they have done is they have done an extension here. This is a balcony which they have given. This is a flat. Okay, balcony. And if you see here, sorry, this is an extension. Here also you have a balcony. This is also a balcony. This is a empty space which is not connected with their house. So they will also have problem with a northeast related things, proper thinking or whatever it is, decision making, all these things. Primarily when there is an issue in the northeast area, you will have health complications. That's a major problem you have to think about.
Yes.
So that's it for today.